So the question is about a moving concave mirror and a moving object. And the x and y axes are given as shown in the diagram. And the object is moving at a speed of 8i plus 11j. That means along x-axis 8 unit, along y-axis, upward y-axis 11 unit. And the mirror is also moving 4i plus 2j. That means the mirror is moving 4 towards the right as well as 2 upward. What is asked? The v is the velocity of the image. Then the velocity, the magnitude of the velocity of the image is asked. Fine. Now to understand and to solve this question, 2 points are important. Okay, let us see those 2 points. This is a concave mirror on your screen, and in a concave mirror we know that if you keep an object here vertically upward, whose size is h, the image will be formed somewhere. Depending on the distance, the image will be formed somewhere. Assume that the image is formed here. Height of the image is h dash. And what is the relation between this height of image and height of object? We know h dash is equal to m into h. That's the relation. And what is m? M is negative of v by u. And for a real image, this m will be negative. Now just think only about the tip of this high object and tip of the image. The tip of the object is a distance from the principal axis. Similarly, the tip of the image is also distance from the principal axis. Assume that you have only that tip. Now that's like a point object. So that point object will create a point image somewhere here. Now see that what will happen if it moves upward. If it is moving upward, what happens? The image should also move vertically downward, and that relation can be calculated using by differentiating this equation. So dh dash by dt is equal to m into dh by dt. And what is dh dash by dt? That is the velocity of the image perpendicular to the principal axis equal to m into velocity of the object perpendicular to the principal axis. So this is an important point which you can apply in present case. Okay, so this is the first point. So the point is velocity of image perpendicular to the principal axis is equal to m into velocity of the object perpendicular to the principal axis. And depending on the position of the object, m can become positive or negative, and the direction also will change. So direction can be either in the same direction or in the opposite direction depending on the value of m. That's the first point. There is one more point. See, this time consider an object lying along the principal axis. Again, depending on the position of the object lying, the image can be anywhere. So assume that the image is somewhere here. Image is like this. The image has got a length L dash. Right. Now we know the length of the image is given by minus m square into L. This is a relation. This is what we call as the magnification along the principal axis. Now imagine the tip of the object and tip of the image. Then forget about the length of the object. Now if the object is approaching, the image should be going away. And then you can differentiate it. dl dash by dt is equal to minus m square into dl by dt. And dl dash by dt is the velocity with which the image is moving, and dl by dt is the velocity of the object. But this time, this velocity is parallel to the principal axis. So this is the parallel velocity. Earlier we did the perpendicular velocity. Now I am taking the parallel velocity. So the relation between the parallel velocities are like this. The velocity parallel to the principal axis. The image velocity parallel to the principal axis is equal to minus m square into the image or the object velocity parallel to the principal axis. Fine. So these are the 2 points needed to solve this problem. Now consider the third case. There is a concave mirror and an object is moving like this. Now you can take this as the x-axis, this as the y-axis, and x-axis is parallel to the principal axis and y-axis is perpendicular to the principal axis, and we are considering that the object is very close to the principal axis. Then this has got two velocities, one in the x direction, velocity of object in the x direction, velocity of the object in the y direction. Now what is the velocity of the image? It's very simple. Velocity of the image in the y direction is m into velocity of the object in the y direction. Velocity of the image in the x direction is minus m square into velocity of the object in the x direction. This is when the mirror is at rest. What happens if the mirror is moving? Then go for the relative velocity. Now let us try to solve the problem. Here what are given here, first of all u is given minus 15. I used Cartesian sign convention. Concave mirror f is equal to minus 10. So naturally I can find out the image position v using the equation u f by u minus f, which is minus 15 into minus 10 by minus 15 minus minus 10. That gives you 150 divided by minus 5, give you minus 1 by 30. So I get v equal to minus 30 centimeter, which gives me magnification m equal to minus of v by u, which is minus of minus 30 by minus 15, will give you minus 2. Magnification is minus 2. Fine. What is velocity of the object? Velocity of the object is 8i plus 11j. What is velocity of the mirror? Velocity of the mirror is 4i plus 2j. What is velocity of object with respect to mirror? All are vectors, okay? Equal to subtract v object minus v mirror, which give you 8 minus 4, 4i, 11 minus 2, 9j. So this is the velocity with which the object is approaching the moving mirror, 4i plus 9j. Right. Now let us find out the corresponding velocity, 4i plus 9j. Keep that in mind. Now what is the velocity of the object in the y direction? That is m into velocity of the velocity of the image in the y direction. Velocity of image in the y direction is m into velocity of the object in the y direction, which is m equal to minus 2. Velocity of the object in the y direction was 9, so 9j, so that's minus 18j. Velocity of the image in the x direction equal to minus m square into velocity of the object in the x direction, which is minus of minus 2 square into velocity of the object in the x direction was 4i, so it gives you minus 16i. That's minus 16i. Okay, minus 16i. So in all, what is the velocity of the image? Velocity of the image with respect to mirror is equal to minus 16i minus 18j. So we know velocity of the image with respect to mirror equal to velocity of image minus velocity of mirror. So what is the velocity of image that you want? That is velocity of the image with respect to mirror plus velocity of the mirror, which I can solve here, which is equal to minus 16i minus 18j plus velocity of the mirror 4i plus 2j. So this will give you minus 12i minus 16j. So that is the answer. Now magnitude of this one, 12 square plus 16 square, should be equal to 144 plus 256 root 400 should be equal to 20. So answer must be equal to 20.